What's up, everybody? It's B with Pray for Snow Auto Detailing, and I am super excited that you are here with me in the garage today because we have... Wait. That can't be right. Gotta check my notes. Just kidding. You know I like to have fun. We have a set of wheels and tires, which is missing something. Obviously, it's missing the vehicle, but what they are here for is to be protected. The customer is purchasing a new vehicle and wants to put these on that, but I want to get them protected before they do that. So we are going to introduce a new product for the channel, and we are going to get these in amazing shape. The transformation is going to be meh because they are brand new, but they are going to be protected when they leave, which is obviously super duper important. So without any further ado, let's get to work. To protect wheels and tires, you don't need to follow the exact same procedures as you would on a normal ceramic coating, but you definitely need to wash them. In some cases, you will need to use an iron remover as well as a clay bar. On these ones specifically, because they came right from the factory to this awesome garage, they don't need that, so we are going to start this we'll call it a detail, mini detail. We'll start this mini detail by washing the wheels and tires. We are going to use Adam's tire and wheel cleaner, and then we are going to actually use the foam cannon and wash them again after we've done the Adam's tire and wheel cleaner, so that we can make sure that they are in phenomenal shape and prepped and ready to be protected. Because of my brute strength, how I'm going to go about doing the wash part on the wheels and tires. So I'm going to start out with the Adam's Polishes wheel and tire cleaner. Then I'm going to move on to the stripping wash clean slate from Chemical Guys, and I'm going to go tire by tire. Main reason is they're really heavy and I don't want to have to move them a whole bunch of times. So I'll finish this tire, get it ready to be dried, roll it over there to be dried, and then I'll roll the next one into the wash bay and start on that. We obviously need these wheels and tires dry so that we can use the ceramic coating. So let's get the Adam's air cannon so that we can be sure that every tiny nook and cranny on the wheel, on the tire, can be completely dry. Before we get into the protection phase on these wheels, I would appreciate it if you are enjoying this content, if you would go down and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. And of course, it would be awesome if you liked this video. Thanks. The new product that we are going to use for the first time on the channel today is from CarPro. We are going to use DLUX for plastic and wheel protection. Included in the kit from CarPro is the block so that you can apply it level, the pad, the microfiber towels that you lay over the block for application, instructions, as well as the product itself. This stuff is pretty awesome, and they do include a manufacturer's date, and if it has gone over a year since that date, it is no longer safe or viable to apply. Looks like this is 7/10/21. Today is January 16th of 22, so we are good. So check it out. Here is before, kind of a faded black, still pretty, but faded and black. Here is after, a really rich, dark, shined look. If you have watched any of my other videos, you know that I am a huge fan of paint protection, well, protection overall for your vehicle, because I love when vehicles look awesome, and the only way to make them look awesome is to use products that protect them, like this Deluxe from CarPro. And if you have purchased new wheels, it is definitely worth putting this product on them because it helps to make them look awesome for longer, which is of course the goal. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. If you like this content and you think I've earned it, hit that subscribe button and of course click that like button. Thanks. See you on the next one.